Hey guys, Jillian here. Today I am super excited for what I've got coming at you. I am trying out a brand that I have never tried before. It's RLIT Studio. I literally saw it probably a month ago. It's a new brand at Target. Literally the cosmic, fairy, fancy, fresh makeup line of our dreams. I have bought 7 or 8 different products and I am going to do a first impressions video for y'all. I hope that you enjoy it. If you haven't yet, please do hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment so we can be friends. Okay, so I have got a bag of goods and I'm so stoked. They've been sitting in my bathroom for about a month and a half at this point because I was determined not to use them until I got here to film and share it with you guys. It's like knowing what you're gonna get on Christmas, but not being able to play with it until Christmas morning. So I think the best way to go about this is to introduce each product to you as I use it, instead of introducing them all to you right now and then going back and doing it again, just so we're not bored here. The first thing I wanna try, it's these. This is a cream shadow disc. It is this really amazing holographic purple glittery creamy eyeshadow. If I had to say the product out of the lot that I'm the most skeptical about, it would probably be this one, just because I have tried different glitter cream shadows from drugstore brands before and they all usually kind of tend to be a dud. So I'm really praying that this one's okay, but if not, we didn't break the bank on it, so it's fine. So this is it in the pan. It's so cool. That's so holographic. Now, I have this weird feeling that this is just going to be a layer of glitter on top, and once I start digging my finger in, it's gonna just be a creamy, gooey mess. We'll see. This was $5. Actually, everything that I'm about to show you is either $5 or under with the respect of 2 products. And when I get to those, I'll let you know how much they were. I'll try to do a swatch first before I put it on my eyes. Oh. Okay, so see, already, oh gosh. It's not terrible. This is what it looks like on my finger. Oh, I'll try to dig in. Oh, see, the more that I dig in, it's like that slime that kids play with. This might actually be kind of fun. I don't know. I feel like if you use this, it says it's an eyeshadow. I feel like this is way more of a body glitter. We'll try it with my finger first and see if it does anything. Okay, it's actually not as bad. I feel like it's, I feel like it's way easier to kind of maneuver on your eye than it is on your skin. It's really messy. I would have to go in with a Q-tip and clean it up, but I don't think that's worth it. I think that's a no for me on this one. That's pretty not good. So the next product I have are these Mythical Liquid Lid Shadow, and it looks a whole lot like the, this is gonna be really advanced packaging to get into. Hold please. So this is really pretty. It is a dupe for the Stila liquid eyeshadows. They're the most amazing product ever. So I'm interested to see how these hold up. This was one of 2 products that was over $5. I believe this one is $6. And it's in shade Starfish. The names are all very cute, like Starfish, precious. First I'll do a swatch on my arm. See, this is where that glitter was. Bless it. That's actually not bad. Okay, oh, this might be good. I get so stoked and so nervous that you would think I created the brand. I'm just going to try to apply this to my lid. And sorry if there's a little bit of glitter left over. Ready? Okay. Oh, it's like this blushy, holographic pink. Okay, first impression, yeah, it's not as opaque as I would have loved it to be, but I know I think I can build it. So let's see if I can do that. Okay, so far I'm really, like, other than the creasing that's happening, I love the color. I should have totally used an eye primer. I'm just gonna try to buff out this corner a little bit to see if I can help the creasing at all. So the verdict on this guy, I do not hate it. I think that for the price, it's a really reflective, holographic. It comes off a lot better in person than on camera. Don't love, but I think it has potential. Okay, so maybe third time's the charm. I am really excited about this product. I saw it on the shelf and it was honestly the first thing that my eye gravitated towards. This is a liquid liner and it's in shade Blue Moon. But it is this, let's try to just, it's this like turquoise. We'll try to do it on my wrist, maybe that'll be better. Yeah, that's a little better. It's like this very neon teal with glitter. So I'm kind of hoping that maybe this one works out a little bit better and we'll see how it goes. Like, seriously? Okay. We got a good one. I'm so sorry for my sloppy application. I get really nervous when I'm applying liquid eyeliner in front of people. This is pigmented and it's gorgeous. Like, how fun would this be for a festival, for a party, for even, especially if you're in a sorority, for any kind of like a fun, like, theme, neon, 80s party? This would be so perfect. It was $5. My only complaint is the wand is really long. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but the brush is really, really long compared to most eyeliners that I use. So as I was applying it, it kept kind of getting onto my eyelashes. But other than that, I really like this product. This would have just been gorgeous if I like let it cover the majority of my lid and just did a really exaggerated wing. So stay tuned because that's gorgeous. This is another liquid eyeliner, which the first one was good, so hopefully this will be good too. But I grabbed a glitter liner because I actually don't own a glitter liner and I loved the silver. Like, how fun. I thought pairing the silver with the blue would be really like just a party on the eyelids. So I'm gonna open this guy. Stay tuned, I'll be back in probably 48 years. Okay, so fun. This liner is in shade Alloy, and I'm just gonna try to do a little swatch on the back of my hand. Ooh, y'all, that was pretty good. A lot of glitter liners are super streaky, and that was pretty pigmented. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so my idea is that I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line with this and I will be right back. Okay, first of all, I absolutely love this product. I'm sorry, I got like so messy with it. I was having so much fun. What I ended up doing, this is so not my best, but I just wanted to see because as a lower lash line, it applies so pigmented. Like, it is a glittery liner. And I was like, ooh, I wonder if I could kind of get away with it on the crease. You can totally rock this on the lid, especially if I had put down some kind of chromatic silvery eyeshadow and then topped this. Oh, and especially with the blue, how fun. I know I look like I should be in a Kesha music video from like circa 10 years ago. I really love this. Okay, so I put on a little mascara. I really love the liners. They're so good. The next thing that I'm so excited about, this is an Ink Me tattoo stamp. On one end, it's just like a black liner, and then on the other end, it's a shape. Does anyone remember having these in like elementary school? I mean, my family, we had them in every color. We had them in like almost every shape. I loved the heart and the smiley face one, shocker. And I would literally just go around and like put hearts on every paper that I had. Hashtag homeschooled. So I'm really excited about these. One side says liner and the other side has the heart, the star. So, and they had stars, moons, and hearts. If I like it, I'm gonna go back and get all of them. So we're just gonna, whoa.
Hit it again, honey.
That's like a marker. Ooh, okay. For $5, even just having that as a liner, that's pretty bomb. That is a very, very black. Like, ooh, I love that. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm really nervous. Oh gosh. Oh, so cute. Oh, that one kind of, oh my God, that is precious. Okay, ooh, I almost have like a really crazy like American flag going on. Okay, I guess I'll just like boop a little bit on my eye. Oh my gosh, okay. Everybody hold your breath. Oh my God, that's literally the cutest thing ever. I didn't press hard enough on that side, so it's kind of like got a little bit of white in the center. That was totally not the product. That was my fault. I got really nervous. Oh my God, that is so cute. Can I do like a couple of stars? I want to do a couple. Oh my God, that is so fun.
Stop.
You need this. You need this in your life. Do I even have to talk about it anymore? I don't. And look how black that is. That's so good. Okay, sorry. I had to stop rolling for a minute and just get my composure because the stars really had me quaking. Like, I was really enjoying it. I have 2 more products left to show y'all. If you're still like manning the fort over there, I'm proud of you. Thank y'all.
Thank you for sticking around.
I'm just having so much fun with you today. So this is a holographic light year stick. The names, they killed it with these names. How fun. This is very reminiscent of the Milk Makeup stick highlighters. This was the only other product that was over $5. This one is the most expensive. It was $7. They had these in quite a few different shades. I wanted to have one that I could kind of get away like using as a blush. First, I'm just gonna try to like do it on my hand. Okay, see, that's really pretty, and it goes on really dewy. It almost looks kind of like wet on the skin. Ooh, that has a really pretty glow. Yeah, I think on the apples of the cheeks, I could not get away with this as any type of a highlighter. I would look really scary. I'm gonna try not to disrupt the stars. We'll see. And this is in shade Jupiter. Okay. Another one that I really liked. Again, that shade Jupiter. Look into my eyes. I just want to try something really quick. I'm dipping back into our Dud eyeshadow, and I'm just taking a little bit on my index finger, and I'm gonna try to like use it as a little bit of a highlighter and see if that is any better than using it as a shadow. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so see, that's pretty. This will be my saving grace for this product. I'm just going to totally use this as a liquid highlight. I love it. The last product that I have is a lip product. This is a holographic lip gloss. They had about 5 shades in the Target that I go to, so I'm not sure what the shade range is, but this to me I thought would be the most like flattering with my coloring. This is in shade Purple Haze. I'm excited to try it. And I'm just gonna put on a nude lipstick first. This is shade Country Star. So first, I'm gonna try to apply this with the lip color. This is really pretty. It has that like lip smacker smell. Okay, so it's pretty sheer. And like, I'm really having to dig in to get like some product. Let's just see how it looks on the skin. Oh yeah, okay, so that's super pretty. I love the purple hue. I think that's so flattering. It's such a really bright and happy and like cheery lip. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try it without a lip color underneath. I really like this. It is a very sheer gloss, but to be honest, that's kind of what I wanted. This is beautiful. I think it would be beautiful over a lip color, but it's also like gorgeous on a naked lip. That's so great. Oh, $5, that's so fun. Final thoughts? I love it. I really love these products. And for the price, yes, there were 2 products in here that I would not highly recommend. Would definitely not highly recommend this for any use. This I think you can totally use as a liquid highlight. Other than that, that's pretty much all I will use this for. Everything else though, I am impressed. I love it. Have y'all tried this brand yet? If you have, let me know your thoughts. What products are you liking? Other than that, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there are any other brands that you'd like to see me kind of hop on the bandwagon and give a go, let me know. And until next time, thank y'all so much, and I can't wait to see you again.